Welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix DJI Mini 3 Pro error code. So guys, this error code means gimbal motor overload. So this is caused by obstructions, stiffness, or calibration failure. So turn off the drone completely and remove the battery and wait for 30 seconds, then reinsert the battery and power back on, and this should fix the issue. Now, gently move the gimbal with your fingers and make sure it's not stuck, blocked, or running against the frame. So take off the gimbal cover or ND filter if attached, and this can sometimes cause imbalance or overload. Now, you will just simply go ahead and open the DJI Fly app and go to the settings, go for the control, and go for the gimbal calibration and run on auto calibration and let it complete. And this should fix the issue. There you go. See ya.